Delivered standout performances in TV series like On the Wings of Love, Kadenang Ginto, The Iron Heart, Senior High, and Pamilya Sagrado. On the big screen, he's shown his versatility in films such as Seven Sundays, Silly Red Shoes, and more. Now he steps into a new chapter as he joined the much-awaited sequel, Isang Daang Awit para kay Stella. Let's give a big, warm round of applause, and let's all welcome Kyle and Shari as live.
Hello po. Good afternoon na ba? Is it good
Yes,
afternoon?
it's afternoon.
Hello po sa lahat ng press. Hello guys, sa lahat ng press po at mga vloggers po na nandito ngayon. Thank you for joining us this afternoon. Hello po. Hello.
Yes, and please stay in the middle dahil magpo-photo op tayo. Alright. So, just pose. Let me grab your microphone para makaposing ka dyan. Alright. Smile for the camera. Please face center in 3, 2, 1. One more. 3, 2, 1. Next. A little to your left, please. 3, 2, 1. Lastly, a little to your right. 3, 2, 1. Alright. You may now take your seat. Thank you very much, Kyle.
Thank you.
Or should I call him Clyde na for today?
Yes, sige po.
Alright, so Clyde. Alright, moving forward, up next is an award-winning actor who became widely known for his heartfelt performances in romantic drama films such as Isang Daang Tula para kay Stella, Mr. and Mrs. Cruz, The Day After Valentine's, Miracle in Cell Number 7, On Vodka, Beers and Regrets, More Than Blue, Wish You Were the One, and we've also seen him in the MMFF entries, Magyari, Espantajo, and so much more. Ngayong tanghali, hapon na pala, ngayong hapon nandito siya para muling buhayin ang karakter na nagbigay pag-asa. Gamit ang mga salita, si Fidel. Sa kanyang kwento, ipapakita niya kung paano ang mga sulat ay nagiging daan para muling maghilom ang puso at magpatuloy sa pag-ibig. Let's all welcome and give a big round of applause for JC Santos!
Hello everyone, thank you for coming. Kahit na umuulan yun. So many familiar faces. Yes, ako na naman po. Pasensya. Maraming salamat po. And I hope you enjoy today. And sabi nga ng pelikula namin, kamusta na? So, yun yung posibleng maging kwento ng pelikula namin. Thank you.
Yes, Fidel, dito ka muna sa gitna, magpo-photo op pa tayo. Ayan. Smile for the camera. Let me grab your microphone first. Alright, please face center. 3, 2, 1. One more. 3, 2, 1. A little to your left, please. 3, 2, 1. Sa kaliwa po muna tayo. 3, 2, 1. Lastly, sa kanan. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Thank you. Fidel. Okay. Here's your microphone. Alright, and of course, last but definitely not the least, she's a multi-talented artist, not just an actress, but also a producer, writer, host, and director. She has delivered powerful performances in films tulad na 10,000 Hours, Caps a Week, Isang Daang Tula para kay Stella, Meet Me in St. Gallen, On Vodka, Beers and Regrets, 366, yung libros na napanood ko, Wish You Were the One, and more. Mapagtatanto kaya niya, hindi pa tapos ang kwento nila ni Fidel. Please do welcome Bella Padilla as Stella!
Hello po, magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Tulad ng sinabi ni Tracy. Salamat po at nagpauna lang kayo kami kahit umuulan po. Thank you so much.
Bella, before you go, okay. Please stay in the middle. Wow! Let me grab your microphone para hindi siya kasama sa OOTD mo. Ayan. Sayang naman ang outfit. 3, 2, 1. Face center. 1 more. 3, 2, 1. A little to your right, please. 3, 2, 1. One more. 3, 2, 1. More friends are here sa kaliwa. 3, 2, 1. Lastly. 3, 2, 1. Now all together, kindly stand up sa ating class. One photo lang daw with the class because we